In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of deleting your TikTok account. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mishaps. And don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. At the top of the Settings menu, you will find the Accounts section. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. If you wish to take a temporary break from TikTok, you can choose to deactivate your account. However, if you want to permanently delete your account, select Delete Account Permanently. Next, TikTok will ask you for the reason for leaving. Choose the appropriate option and tap Continue. You will then have the option to download your TikTok data. If you want to save your TikTok videos, tap on Request Download and follow the instruction to save your videos locally or on another storage device. After downloading your data, if desired, check the box confirming that you understand your account will be deactivated for 30 days and permanently deleted thereafter. And if you agree, tap Continue. You may need to verify your account before proceeding with the deletion process. Follow the prompts to verify your account using the method you are seen in with. Once verified, you can proceed with deleting your account by tapping the corresponding button. And that's it, you have successfully deleted your TikTok account. Remember, your account will be deactivated for 30 days before it's permanently deleted, giving you time to change your mind if needed. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and see you in the next one.